It's time for another gardening update. Hey, how y'all doing? Thanks for coming to the collab today. Well, I haven't done much of anything out here. I put my little ants out here, and little apple. Really neat. The ants are attacking my frog, trying to get those apples. The bees are, I guess, trying to protect the frog. The frog is just not being bothered at all. But soon more to come. I'm just messing around. I still got to clean, sweep. The spider webs I still see, the spiders are very active because it's spring and they're trying to catch some food, and they got beautiful spider webs all over the dang place. My job is gonna be so plentiful trying to get up these dang spider webs. My little plant recovered. Excuse me. The plant recovered. Refreshed the breathe, let the soil breathe and everything. That plant got big. Hold up. I carefully set that bird up there. Get some more action. Some vignettes going on out here. The ant, I guess that frog ain't too happy about that ant getting all on his feet like that. Trying to get to that apple. That bird, see the apple? Guess it's trying to get there too. Look like my bird, poor bird, been damaged. But that's it, y'all. I just came through, share with y'all a little goings on. Hope y'all enjoy it. I can't back this up. Hope y'all enjoyed this little vignette scene. More to come. I'm gonna take this bird down before I get that apple. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share if you want. More to come. I'm gonna get out here. Cause I got to repot my lemon plant. I need to do that. All right, y'all. Bye. I'll see you on the next one.